In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the right template to match in Docusign template matching. Whether you're new to Docusign or an experienced user, template matching is a powerful feature that can make your document management process efficient and seamless. So let's dive into it. To begin with, navigate to the Docusign website, which stands as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. You can do this simply by opening up your favorite web browser and typing in the Docusign URL, or by searching for Docusign in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. This is where you'll have access to all your documents and settings. But for today, we want to focus on configuring template matching, so head over to your profile by clicking the profile button. You'll find this as part of the navigation options on the home screen. By clicking here, you're essentially taking the first step in personalizing the interface to better fit your needs. Once in your profile, locate the My Preferences option. Click this to enter a section where you can adjust various settings related to your Docusign account. Here you'll find a range of options, but don't get overwhelmed. The specific feature we're interested in is template matching. This feature will help automate the selection of the right templates when sending out documents, saving you time and minimizing potential errors. Now scroll through the preference options until you see template matching. Click on it. Enabling template matching within your preferences ensures that Docusign can assist you in matching your documents with the corresponding templates automatically. This means you won't have to manually search and select a template each time you prepare a document for signing, especially helpful if you frequently use certain templates or deal with a large volume of documents. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully navigated through the process of setting up and enabling template matching in Docusign. Once activated, Docusign uses its intelligent system to analyze your documents and suggest the best matching template, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Remember, keeping your preferences up to date and customized to your needs can greatly enhance your productivity and accuracy within Docusign. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy signing!